Muscovy ducks and bronze turkey of Functional Rustic. Alright, so these three that are closest to me, we're calling them the toddlers. They're probably about coming up on 2 months soon. Turkey's a year old. The little gold one next to the turkey is a couple weeks. That one's Prodigy. And then the white gray one is Goldie. She's our Muscovy hen. She's a year old. Here's two of the boys, Chester and Larry. The Drakes are boy ducks. Hi, Gladys. See more of the Muscovy ducks at functionalrustic.com. Gladys, you're in my shot. I'm trying to get the ducks. See more of the Muscovy ducks and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer at functionalrustic.com.